Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
Now, another last video we did on installing all the lights, the lovely new tinted lights, front and back. But a lot of people have been saying that we didn't show them working.
Didn't show you the real lights, did we?
Yeah, we didn't show you. It's not that we forgot.
You just sack us.
Yeah, that's it, you fired in the bin.
Great.
No, the reason we didn't do the full light walk around is because we've got that broken headlight and we thought we'd wait until the new one arrived.
But we did show them the headlights.
Yeah, I know, we're terrible. We just made a...
It was just, yeah.
We just didn't think it through, did we?
So we're here to show you the tail lights.
We're going to show you the tail lights lit up, we'll show you the front lit up.
And a breakdown on what bulbs we used in the end.
Little midweek update.
Yeah.
Right then. There's
I
only one
suppose I
thing
better
for
go
it.
and put the bulbs on.
You better had.
Oh, it's supposed to be this side.
I know.
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Here we go. Look at those beautiful lights. Now, as you can see, plenty of lights coming out of there. These are just the driving side lights.
Whoa! Oh, it's like Spain.
Spain?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you know those really bright lights you get in Spain on the back of cars? No, here we go. LEDs, we've got the reflector here, we've got driving light. Funny how the reflector's got a light through it as well.
I gotta say though, this one isn't an LED.
Exactly.
This slightly dimmer light here is an incandescent light.
It is.
And this is the LED that we should have in there, just to show you that the lights we put in are putting out more illumination
Than the standard.
Not a lot, but that's definitely brighter than that.
And even though these are tinted, still plenty of light coming through.
Oh, so much
Well
light. Let me put the
within
indicator.
the legal limits. Oh, indicators are coming on. This is exciting. Are you ready? Look at that. I can't even look at it. It's so bright. It's
Yeah,
blinding.
Still flashing super fast because the
relay, yeah, the relay I
the
bought.
Volvo relay doesn't just do the indicators, it also does the seatbelt flashy thing.
Yeah.
So it's quite a chunky relay. So we're going to have to go with inline
resistors. I'll show you what we've got.
resistors.
We'll go through everything on the table.
Yes.
But yeah, it's super bright there. You might want to turn it off.
I'll turn it off.
But also, you can notice is these lights that are on. This is the LED, still stone cold. This is the incandescent. It's bloody warm.
It's warm. It warms up fast.
And it's
Warms up very
using
fast.
so much energy in heating up the bloody lens instead of just doing light.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just worth it just to get LEDs.
Yeah, it is. Totally is.
Now, a lot of people are saying about going for an MOT as well. We do know at the front you can't put an LED bulb into a regular light housing, so we have got sealed beam units at the front. Now from what I can tell, as long as you've got the same beam pattern from an LED bulb at the rear, it's not illegal. This is legal. We will find out come MOT time.
We'll find out come MOT time. Also, the MOT man is not allowed to take stuff off of your car. So that LED bulb in there, or that one, and not that one because that one's warm, he's not going to be able to tell because he can't take it off. So when he can't physically see it through there, so therefore he can't check.
We'll see what happens come MOT time. But I'm pretty confident these are all great, ready to go. Should we go over to the bench and have a look at the bulbs that we used? Louisa says yes!
Look how big that baby is for 3 months old.
She's huge!
She's a monster.
Hello.
Look at her.
You gonna say hello to everybody?
She's a beautiful monster though.
Yes, she
Isn't she,
is.
Babs?
Hey, good girl, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh, a little star.
Right, we're going to go through the bulbs.
Inline resistors, that's what these are. This is what we have to put in the car. Hopefully that will fix our flashing too fast problem. We'll let you know in an update video.
I'll let you know, yeah, I'm hoping they fix it.
Yes, right, so bulbs. These are the bulbs we used. Let's start with these.
Indicator.
These are W21s and
They're super bright.
they're super bright.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of lumens. This one is an orange one specific for indicators, and this one is just a normal white bulb. Now I do believe you can get them in red, so if you wanted to put them in a clear lens, they'll... Right, let's
shine the red light through, but you can see
the,
there's a projector on the end. Can you see? Look at all the LEDs. There's loads of light out of
is that
these.
working?
Yeah, it's working. Lovely. And this one is
that's the orange one.
the orange indicator one. Again, projector, loads of light.
Right.
We might light these up actually.
Yes, we will. That's the side light one, which is an R5W.
R5W,
That
dimmer.
one came,
Different design on this one, no projector. It doesn't need to be as bright.
yeah, it doesn't need to be as bright.
So that's good.
And
Good beam pattern though, good beam pattern.
We could have used one of these in the side lights, but we felt it was just going to be too bright
Yeah,
for
too
people
bright.
following. It's just going to be annoying.
It looked like you were driving with your brakes on all the
It
time.
would.
Yeah.
And this one is a P21 5W twin element.
Twin element, you can
That
tell.
goes in the
by the
front side lights. I don't know why it needs to be twin element, but it does.
A projector on the front, super bright, twin element.
So those are the bulbs we used in the
Yes.
car. We'll put links in the description. Some of them came on Amazon, some of them came from eBay. We got them from all over the place.
Again, I have to say, do not buy these type LED bulbs.
Complete waste of your money,
Yes.
waste of time.
I don't even know what to do with them. There's so many of them. I was in a bulb buying spree. I bought spares and everything. Right, how about we show the difference between a standard bulb and an LED bulb?
Yeah, okay. So this is a standard incandescent bulb, and I'm gonna rig it up to this battery. Ooh, look at that! Oh, that's so bright.
Oh, give enough heat. And
Loads of heat. I mean, put that on for too long, you won't be able to touch it. So let's
You could cook on that.
wind that out and put this in. And now fire up this.
Look away.
Now it's a much whiter light.
Can I just say that the difference is night and day?
No. So that's really nice. They light up and they don't generate any heat really. I'll show you the orange one
Just for fun.
as we're here. Ooh, so orange.
So orange. Right, as soon as we get these inline resistors in, that should solve the flashy problem.
It certainly should.
It should, because basically the LED lights have no load on the circuit, so it thinks there's a bulb out.
Yeah, it does.
And so they flash really quick to tell you there's a bulb out. That should put load on the system, solve the flashy problem. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
So is that it?
That's it.
That's it.
I think there's one last thing to do. Do a walk around. Do a walk around with the
Do a
lights
walk around.
on, and please ignore the dead headlight at the front.
Yes, ignore that.
There is a new one winging its way to us
From China.
from China. Didn't say it was from China when we bought it.
No.
No. Anyway, let's do a walk around. Say bye, Louisa. Say bye. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
Right, let's do a full walk around of the lights, starting now. Go!
Now, going. Hello.
That's side lights.
Side lights.
Check.
Full lights.
Yeah, that's front thing.
Oh, yeah. Bad, my bad. Hold on. Brake lights.
Ooh, so breaky.
And fog light.
Ooh, foggy, yeah. Hazards.
Hazards. Hold on. Hazards.
Lovely, and reverse.
And reverse. Hold on.
Oh, that's the lot. There you go, that is the rear set of lights lit up. Let's go to the front and have a look at the front, although you've already looked at the front. Doesn't it look mean with the side lights on?
Ready?
Go, go, go.
Side lights.
Yep, normal side
Full
lights.
lights.
Main beam, that's dip beam.
Dip beam. Hold
Yeah,
on.
that is dip beam. Let's put the main beam on. Whoa.
And hazards.
There you go. That's the full set of lights, including this little side repeater, which I was just showing them, and you switched it off.
Oh, well done.
Brilliant. Full illuminations there for the viewing peoples.
Hold on, last bit. And when I have got them all working, I'll show you all the interior LEDs.
Oh, interior.
Yeah, they're all the LEDs on the inside.
That's our parcel.
Oh my god, there's a parcel delivery. Right, see you next week, guys.
See you, bye.
Bye.